Hey, this is Dee Willis here, and let me start off by saying before we get into this video is that the 3 steps that I'm going to cover with you, they are very, very simple to do when you're trying to build a digital online business, but they're not as easy as people think. It is doable, it takes hard work, but the steps is very simple. What makes it difficult is how a person does it. It's not what needs to be done, it's how they do it, the process behind it that makes people succeed or fail, because the whole purpose is you need to find out the process that works for you. So let's rewind a little bit. I'm gonna give you some examples, but I want to let you know what this 3 process is. There's only 3 simple steps when you're building any business digitally online, period. I don't care what you sell. I don't care what kind of business this is, right? It's 3 things. The first thing you're going to need to do is build a list of people. The second thing you need to do is build a relationship with those people. And the third thing that you do is then you're able to monetize and position the products and services that you offer, whatever they may be, to those people. That's it. That's all having a digital online business is. Now, this is probably going to be one of the realest videos that you've ever watched on YouTube, because I am about to break this so down for you. Because that is one thing I'm tired of, is seeing one thing or do a niche this. And to me, it's about the person. And we as people, we're multidimensional. We like more than one thing. We have more than one thing going on in our heads at any given time. And this is why I brought this video to you, because I want to let you know the processes and how they vary. Now, on my channel, there's a lot of different things you see that I do, because those are the different products and services that I have, that I know how to do, and the things that I'm interested in. But that's step 3. Okay? Really, your products and services is step 3. Let's talk about what comes before this. And that's what a lot of people, they're telling you these 3 simple steps, but they're doing it in different ways. And let me give you an example. First things first, to accomplish building a list of people and building a relationship with those people and getting to be able to sell those people your products and services, you're going to need certain things. And those things is a domain name. That's 1. A page builder. That's 2. And an email autoresponder. That's 3. You only need 3 basic essentials. Now, depending upon how you go about those 3 things are going to depend on how many tools you're going to need to make it happen. Now, here's what I say. The reason why you need a domain name, and that's why you get people telling you to get your business name as a .com and stuff like that, because that's taking care of the domain name part. Okay? So now that you got the domain name, because you got to build a list of people. Well, how are you supposed to get that list? How are you supposed to get the people? That's why you hear people tell you to run ads. Okay? So when they're teaching you ads, they're teaching you how to attract the people, because you need to get the people first to get them on your list. Okay? So they're not breaking them down to you in these 3 simple steps. Build a list of people, build a relationship with them, and then sell them your products and services. They're not making it that simple. They're saying, get a domain name, get hosting, get website, get this, get that, get this, get that. When it's really only 3 things that you need to do. And if you focus on those 3 things, people have different processes to get them. Okay, but you got to find a process for you. So while you get your domain name, that's fine. You need that. You need your business name, .com. And then the second thing is the page builder. Now, what's a page builder? It can be a WordPress. It can be Wix. It could be Shopify. It can be lead pages. It can be Home Business Academy, the HBA funnel. It can be ClickFunnels. All of those are page builders for real. A website is a page builder. You're building multiple pages. That's what it is. At the end of the day, it's a website. You need a way to build websites. All right. Now, when you got that domain name and you got that page builder, you can link them. Okay. Now you have a way where people can get on your list. Because on that website is a form, or on that page builder is a form. And then you get them on your list. Once you get them on your list, you got to build a relationship with them. That's what the email come into play. So now the email is like, or building a business page or a Facebook group. You're building a relationship, with them, a social media account. Now, this is why they tell you, you got some people that do it on Instagram or tell you to build a community. Some people tell you to do Facebook groups because that's what worked for them. But at the same time, anyway it go, they're working on that relationship building in step 2. How they working on it is on them and what works for them. And what works for me is my YouTube channel. This is me building my relationship with you. That's only step 2. Okay. Now, step 3 is when you market your products and services to them, but you can't market anything to them if they're not even really on your list. Yeah, you can tell them about it. Like I can sit here right now and tell you in the link below is going to be like a cheat sheet to all of this that you can get for free. It's going to be in the link for real. But you have to choose to do it. You have to choose to take it, right? So if you take it, then you're on my list. And then I'm able to build a more personal relationship with you like I have with my folks that's on Her Diary newsletter. Period. Okay? That's bottom line. So the steps are simple. Simple steps. What makes it difficult is how people get there and how they explain that they get there. Or how they tell you to get there. I'm going to tell you like this. If you're first trying to start a business, a digital online business, you want to start simple. Start simple because it is. Get your domain name. That's your .com. Get that. Now you got to think about a page builder that you can afford consistently. Because at the end of the day, it's not about whether you can do this. It's about how long you can do it and sustain it. So do something affordable. Okay. Again, in the link below is going to be the tools that I feel like are the least expensive that can get the ball rolling for you. It's my resources. I'm going to put it below. Again, it's up to you if you want to take it. But then you need a good, affordable page builder that you can use, whether that's a WordPress, whether that's a Shopify, whether that's a HBA page builder, if it's a lead page builder. You can pick whichever page builder works for your budget. Okay? Anyone would do fine. It's about what you can afford for the long term. Now, once you get that, most page builders have a form. They come with them. But you need the email autoresponder to link the form too. So then you get your email. I got a provider that I use in the description below. You can check it out. You can use anyone you want. MailChimp, ConvertKit, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, MailerLite. I mean, there's a ton of them. Pick one that you can afford long term. Think about this as a year. Can I afford this every month for a year? Or can I pay up for the year or whatever? And give yourself a year. And then you got the tools now. So now all you need to do is focus on getting the people. That's what they call traffic. Now you got to learn how you want to get your traffic. Do you want to learn Facebook ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, Instagram? How do you want to get your people? Because you got the thing already. You got the form. You got the email. You got the page. You got everything. Now you got to get the people. And just let the rest do its thing. It's as simple as that. So don't focus so much on the processes. Get the foundation first. The foundation is to get a list of people. Foster a relationship with those people. And then you are able to advertise your products or services to those people, whatever your product or service might be. And that's why you learn so many different things here. And that's why I talk about so many different things, is because, yes, I make coloring books. Yes, I can build websites because I know the code. Yes, I can do these various different things. And more probably, I can write books. I love to write. I like to get out of this world and come up with fantasy, right? I can do these things because those are the skills that I have. And at the back of everything, those products and services serve those individuals. It might not serve you per se. It might be a whole different product that serves you. And the better you get at this, the more products and services you will be able to offer, and the more page builders and everything you will have. And that's why you see people have multiple niche sites. People have multiple funnels because they have multiple products and services, okay? Get what you need for the foundation, then focus on the skills and the processes to make that foundation go. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, guys. I really hope it makes sense. It's really simple. 3 steps. Build a list, build a relationship, then offer products and services. Lead with people first. No product first. I challenge that mindset. No product first mindset. We focusing on the individual person. What can we do to help this person? What can I do to help you? And this video is to help you understand you only need 3 simple things to click that light bulb in your head to say, hey, this is really simple. I just need to build a list, build a relationship, then I can promote my products and services. Okay, D, I got it. So what do I need to do? You need to get a domain name, your business name. You need to get a page builder, whatever page builder that might be. I have my ones depending upon what it is you're trying to do. Okay? But think about what you can afford for a year and get an email. That's it. 3 things. Now, if you're getting a WordPress as your page builder, you're going to need 4 things because now you're going to need to host it. But that's still paying for the page builder because you get WordPress for free. So it's really only 3 things. It'll be a domain name host because you got to put the WordPress on the host. You get the WordPress for free. That's the page builder and your autoresponder. Anyway, it goes like only 3 things. You can do this. You get this. You can do this. And those things will allow you to build any digital online business you want. I don't care what you sell. That's how you sell it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I know it's kind of short, but I hope it helped you realize and see things in a different way in regular layman's terms instead of me trying to give you a video about how to build a WordPress. Well, it doesn't help you if you don't really have the order of this. And this is the foundation. And that's why I made this video, because I am going to get into more tutorial videos about how to do certain things with certain tools. But these certain tools fall in line and you have choices. There's a variety of them. So if I'm talking about ConvertKit in one of my tutorials, or if I'm talking about MailerLite in one of my tutorials, just know that those are email autoresponders, and I'm just doing a tutorial in case you might need to pick one so you will know how to work them, right? So that's all, but it still falls in step number 3. I mean, as an autoresponder in the things that you need. Okay? So it's that simple, guys. Keep it simple for yourself. Okay? Mwah. Love you as always. And I will see you in the next video. And if this is something you like, don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to always keep it real with you. It might not be what you want to hear, but it's going to be what you need to hear. Okay? All right. Bye.